Hello everyone, this is Mike with the ShadowTrader SquawkBox. I have here a chart of Tesla on a weekly scale, and I have to say that I think that this chart looks fairly bullish. It's leaning that way more than bearish in my humble opinion. The reason I'm saying that is we go back here to the May and June of 2022. We have a pivot low that, of course, at the time we didn't know it, but it was going to be established as a fairly consistent zone of price here at the 208 to 208 to $215 range. That it proceeded over time, over the last year, to establish itself as being something that the auction continually shied away from. You can see that it kind of bounced off of it here, fussed around a little bit, and then fell through, came back up underneath, tested it there, tested it again, and then busted through it there, and then came and really tested it from the top. And now what we see here, that's, I think, the most bullish portion, the thing most recent that causes me within this large triangle to call this bullish, is we have the reversal that took place here on that support. Now we have a zone running right through here that has been broken, and we have established a shorter term consolidation within this above this level, coming right up underneath this trend line. I happen to enjoy trend lines, not in the way a lot of people do, but I enjoy trading them when they get broken. This trend line has been tested, or has 4 points. My trade here is that if Tesla moves up through here, I think that the significance of this will be that the amount of time that was spent between here and wherever this break may take place from back here is a pretty short duration. That's bullish. And if it does break this level right here, I believe that there is just a real good risk-reward possibility there for the potential to go up and then now test this trend line and see if it's going to break. And if you remember that one on the weekly scale. So there needs to be some time here yet. We need to wait and see if Tesla's going to come up here and break that level. Whether it yet does there at about the 248, 249 level, with a stop right underneath it here at the 242. So you got to give it a little bit of room. For those of you who are bears that think that Tesla is going to be heading down, well, I can't argue the fact that this structure is a bit consolidating and it's deciding what it wants to do. If it goes this way, there's the trade. If it were to fall down back below here, this level here, I would say that there is a good possibility that there will be a revisit of that trend line. So there you go. For either the bulls or the bears, there's a little something for everybody here. Watch these structures real close, these levels, because I think that they could possibly generate a move one way or another in Tesla. But I favor the upside based on the overall high altitude view on the weekly chart there. So there you have it. That's my view on Tesla.
Hi, my name is Mike with the ShadowTrader SquawkBox. If you enjoyed this video today, please feel free to hit the like and the subscribe buttons below. And if you'd like to trade along with me every day, looking for trade ideas, studying charts together, check out the link below to the ShadowTrader SquawkBox. I wish you good trading, and I'll see you in the room.